Tata Motors, who conceptualized and introduced the T1 Prima Truck Racing Championship in 2014, revealed the names of 17 Indian truck drivers for the season 3.
From an Indian perspective, if you ask me, there were two very important reasons why we got into truck racing. One, the profession of trucking over years has gradually reduced in the eyes of entrepreneurs. The profession of driving is seen as something no one wants to get into. No one wants his son to get into the profession of driving. Whereas the trucking and the truckers and drivers are the ones who are bringing everything that we consume every day. The trucking community and the drivers move the economy of the country. Amongst many other things that we are doing, we thought that we need to bring some attention and glory to the profession of trucking and truck driving. And those were the two major aspects from an Indian perspective that drove us to truck racing.
While season 3 will see 17 Indian drivers participating in the race, the Prima race truck itself has seen a lot of modification. Tata Motors unveiled the new T1 2016 race truck with a total 43 modifications. For a faster, more exciting season 3, the Tata Prima 4038.S will compete in the T1 Prima truck racing with the massive power of 370 bhp at 2100 rpm and a top speed of just over 130 km per hour. To make these Prima trucks fit for racing, the trucks have gone through multiple quality checks and tested at Tata Motors Jamshedpur's world-class testing facility for high-speed run and control, with many key modifications made to meet a mix of safety and performance needs.
It's a proud day for our technical and engineering people because these trucks have met British race standard conditions, and then only these trucks are moving to Delhi, and they'll be continuously certified over the next 17-18 days before they are put into truck racing.
For selection of the drivers, Tata Motors derived a T1 racer program, which they called a driver development initiative aimed at creating Prima racers out of the ordinary truck drivers. This program is thus going to see the light of the day for the first time on 20th March 2016 at the Buddh International Circuit, Greater Noida.
जो हमारे को यहाँ सिखाया जा रहा है, सारे जो मतलब यहाँ के तरीके जो बता रहे हैं, गाड़ी चलाने के टर्न में कैसे लेना, ब्रेक कैसे मारना, सारी जो चीज़ें बता रहे हैं वो हमारे अगर नहीं भी जीतते तो भी हमारे काम आने वाली चीज़ है।
Training these people who drive trucks on the highway and training them, at first I thought it should be really difficult, but then when I got here and when we interacted with these people, it seems like most of them, I would say about 80% of them are actually very good learners, and if we teach them the right way, the right things, I believe they should be doing something really good. We might have some truck champions from here.
ये है हमारे बुद्ध इंटरनेशनल सर्किट में टाटा प्राइमा की रेस में जाने वाले हैं। जोरदार तालियां लोगों।
Let's hear from the representatives of each sponsors about their participation in the T1 Prima Truck Racing Season 3.
Very excited to be part of the third season of the T1 Prima Racing event. As you probably know, Tata Technologies has been part of this event right from the inception and the conception of the event. We are, as you know, Tata Technologies is a strategic partner to Tata Motors and have been so since day one. We're obviously evolving the relationship, but our engineers have been part of the initial design, World Truck design, the modifications to the Season 2 and the tweaking of the design as it's evolved into the third season. We've invested quite a bit, not only in engineering these trucks, but also in worldwide engineering programs, especially in lightweighting. We conceived an idea called the EMO-C, which is our own showcase electric mobility vehicle, which is an EV vehicle. And the concept from there of basically being able to use mixed material or lightweight material, these lessons have been learned by our engineers working with worldwide programs now with new EV vehicle companies that are coming out in China and in the US, like Next EV. But these, are lessons that we have learned both in world programs have been applied to this and will be continuously being applied to other programs across the vehicle programs across the globe. Lightweighting is a common theme for us.
So Castrol is proudly associated with Tata T1 Racing. They have been exclusive lubricant partners for the last 3 years. In 2015, we launched Castrol Vecton Fuel Saver, the first co-engineered Tata product for Tata Motors commercial vehicles. This product delivers 3% fuel efficiency in rough terrains of Indian driving conditions. We are working closely with Tata Motors for future 2020 BS6. So that's one challenge which we are working closely on exclusively with Tata Motors. We also, being an exclusive lubricant partners with Tata Motors on T1 Racing, the Vecton Fuel Saver is the engine oil which goes into all trucks for this event. We are also working along with Tata Motors on not only developing products and services, we are also partnering them in safety, skill development across their dealership network in India. Last year we launched around a workshop manual for safety in their workshops, and this year we are launching a CSR initiative which is called as Castrol Jagruti Ekjut, in which we'll be taking up the safety at their dealership in Tata Motors to develop a safety culture in their workshops. So we're just not only working on product and services, we are taking this initiative and our partnership with Tata Motors to go beyond.
From WABCO, we are happy to be associated with Tata Truck Racing. Right from the inception of the Tata Truck Racing, we have been with Tata, and this is the third year we are renewing our commitment for the racing championship. For the last 5 decades, we have been associated with Tata and providing leading safety and efficiency technologies. And for the racing championship, we provide the leading safety technologies like anti-lock braking system and modular compressor and high-performance air processing and air actuation system. We are the leading providers of safety technologies and we are working on many future technologies with the electronic braking system and autonomous emergency braking system and on-lane lane departure warning system. Tata team provided us the opportunity to partner with them and display some of these technologies in the last year Auto Expo. So we are very much happy to be part of this.